Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 5.3 and today I will show you how you can activate Hey Google on the smartphone. So the first you have to open the Google app and Google folder and open Google app. Then tap on More, move to the settings and click on the voice. Choose the voice match and then simply, as you can see, we got turned on Google Assistant and we have to tap to turn on Hey Google. And after that you have to go for the voice model, and I will show you how it will be looks, but in most cases you will get this circle after touching the Hey Google switcher. You will get it available, and you have to say for the 2 times OK Google and for the 2 times Hey Google. Hey Google. After that you have to click next, tap to finish. And right now when we say the command Hey Google or OK Google, our assistant will be activated. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.